What's going on, everybody? Welcome to my video today. But today we're going to be talking about the Perrin shift stopper right here. The Perrin shift stop. Let me move myself back here a little bit. If you guys are familiar with this, a lot of the guys in the Subaru community rave about it, and I've seen it all over the forums. I'm excited to try it out. I'm excited to see if it really makes as big a difference as people say. And I got it on sale on Amazon for 20 bucks, so you can't beat that. So for 20 bucks, why would I not try it? So I'm just going to go ahead and jump right in here. It's a pretty easy mod to install. It's super easy. So basically you just take the shift knob off, you pop this off around here and take the boot off, and then there's a couple 7mm and 10mm screws that come out, and then you just line it up and you're done. So we're gonna just pop it off and get started here and install this guy real quick. As you can see, we have the most important thing you could ever have in the morning: some coffee. Alright, let's go ahead and knock this out. I got my GoPro here to shoot some different angles. So we're gonna start with this angle, pop this guy off right here, starting with this, and then we're gonna go ahead and install this guy. So here we go. Let's start with this. So we can go ahead and just take this, crank it. Wow, it really takes some force right now, doesn't it? Okay, there we go. So we're gonna go ahead, take this off to start. Let's ride this forever. There we go. Alright, so what we're gonna do now is we're gonna pop this off. Apparently, from what I read, it's like you literally just reach under it and pull it off because it's pop tabs. So let's try not to break it. That would really suck. Okay, that's scary. Alright, so we're gonna go ahead and pop this off. Okay. I've got these three, but it's this last one. This is the worst thing to do on a cold day when you have cold fingers. Oh, my fingers. Ah, that hurt. Ah! Okay. Okay. So this should come right off from what I saw. Yep. So this will come right off. Put this down here. And now we spring into action. So we have our two 7s. So let's start with these. Oh no. There's a reason why you need a 7 wrench. Alright. We're gonna put a pause on this because I have to go drive and get my good tools. I guess I'll just screw this back on. Alright, so just to confirm, in case there's any doubt about it, you definitely need a 7 wrench. You can't do it with 7 socket. So, awesome, awesome. Okay, so I got my 7, so now we can actually continue with this thing. So we've got this off, we've got my shift knob in here. So now I'm gonna go ahead and take these guys off right here. I'll show you on the GoPro exactly how it looks, but go ahead and take these two 7s off right here. Should be impossible. You know how things are with cars. So you want to be real careful with these, because if you drop these, they're into the abyss and you'll never see them again. So because of that, I'll probably drop this one now that I said something. Get myself some more room. Yep, there we go. Broke it. I broke it like it's broken. I'm just kidding. I'm gonna thread it back. Got it. Now we're gonna move on to our 10s. There we go. And this guy. So now we can move on to actually installing the Perrin stuff. So break this out. Yeah. Dude, it is cold. I picked a really bad day to do this, or at least a really light jacket to wear while I do it. It is cold up in here. Go ahead and pop this over it. Thread these back in, but not too tightly. Thread it in with the alky now. For this. So now we've got it lined up. So we got this guy, we got the Perrin shift stop. We're gonna clench it, and then we're gonna give it a little bit of wiggle room. That much wiggle room there. Then we're gonna go ahead and take it out. We're gonna go ahead and put it in first. This is nice and tight. Let me give it a little wiggle room right there. And then those are our settings. So now we're good on our distances. So now we're gonna tighten this very carefully. That moved actually. First, just a little bit. And third, so it's a little bit out of the way. And we're there, my friend, and we are golden, my friend. I'm gonna go ahead actually and just make sure this is really tight. The last thing I need is like on a track day or something, it opening up or coming loose, and then I can't find first gear anymore. So I'm just gonna really make sure it's in there. Yeah, that one was a little loose. Okay, boom. There we go. And just like that, we're done, my friend. We are done. So we're gonna go ahead and take it on a quick drive. I gotta get into work. It's getting kind of late now, so we're gonna go ahead and take it on a quick drive, and then we'll call it for the day. All right, so let's go ahead and feel it out as we get here on this highway. Obviously, I'm in third, but if I go to second, oh yeah, that's nice. You know, it's not like, it won't blow your mind, like, wow, this is the most amazing thing I've ever felt, but it's a nice kind of bit of security where it kind of gets rid of that wiggle. Because what it looks like, and this might be an ignorant thing to say, but what it looks like is that the original kind of like Subaru mechanism, basically it has almost kind of like a shift stop on this side, but on the left there's just nothing, so it looks like you just kind of like fish a little bit for first. But now that you have the Perrin shift stop here, it's a little bit more direct, like you feel it grind up against something and you can feel where you're going. So yeah, I like it. That's awesome. 20 bucks, can't beat it. Can't beat 20 bucks. Alright guys, well this is gonna be my sign off for the day. I like it, definitely would recommend you get it. For 20 bucks, you can't beat that. Like, literally nothing for a car is ever 20 bucks. So yeah, for 20 bucks you can't beat it. So go ahead and pick one up. Let me know what you think. Don't forget to like and comment and subscribe as always. Appreciate the support as I go for 6 with my left hand. Appreciate the support. So yeah, like and subscribe, everything, and yeah, I'll get more videos out there and content for you guys soon. Like I said, the refrigerator goal is coming up next month, so that'll probably be the next video. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next week or two. Peace.